Hello everyone, today in this video we will talk about how to activate the virtual environment of Django project. For that we have different processes to be followed. Here we will try few of them. For that the first process is you have to press Ctrl Shift P button, then you can see over here Python selector interpreter. We select this interpreter and here we choose the interpreter path and we will go to the virtual environment that we have created. Here I named my virtual environment as random. Inside random you can see the script folder. We will move into it and select the Python exe. We select the interpreter I think we got a problem, and for that it will try to activate the virtual environment automatically, but I found some problem over here. We will go through the another method. We will click on terminal and create new terminal. So it will try to activate the virtual environment automatically. Here we can see activate.ps1, but we got problem. The error you can see cannot be loaded because running script is disabled on the system. You can see the error. What we have found that in the documentation of Visual Studio Code, here is note on Windows, if your default terminal type is PowerShell, you can see PowerShell, default terminal type PowerShell, you may see an error that it cannot run activate.ps1. You can clearly see activate.ps1. So ps1 because running script is disabled on the system. So this might be the problem. The error provides a link for information on how to allow scripts. Otherwise the terminal select default shell to set command prompt or git bash as your default instead. So we tried it to do in we tried to activate the virtual environment by Visual Studio Code, but we faced the problem. So we will move to another process or another method. For that, here I come to the virtual environment. I named my virtual environment as random. So inside virtual environment you can see different folders that it has been created. So for that I will activate my virtual environment through command prompt. You can see. So I'll move into the random engineering folder. You can see random. We entered the folder random, and inside the random we will find script from command prompt. Here you can see cd, and you can press the button tab to select the script and activate cd. We come back to the random folder, then again we will find the project that we have created on the last video. Here inside the random project so it's fine. Sorry. Okay, now we go to the browser and try to enter the address. We'll copy the browser and we'll go over here. So you can see this has been activated, but we press button Ctrl C. Here if we try to run the server, sometimes right here we don't find any problem, but sometimes if we got problem, like we can just type 8001 to run the server in our local host. This also works if you got a problem with 800. Here we can see the address 8000, but you can see over here 8001. If you got problem with 8000, then we can try this way. So now our virtual environment has been activated without any error, and we can go to the admin site. You can see we got problem that we could not connect and service cannot be. So we will try another method. Here we will change the address. First you can see it's fine, but it was taking time. So in that case we can just clear and we can just run the server. So thank you for watching this video.